We are on a very exciting mission today. It is Dario's last day with us, so we had to do an epic adventure. And there's nothing like an epic adventure, like visiting the most important castle ruins from the Renaissance period north of the Alps. So here we are, visiting the Heidelberg Castle.
Won't you take me home? Give me with your flight. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
What do you think of this? Is this the best view I've forced you to see so far?
Absolutely, this is the best view I've seen so far of the whole city, actually, and not just the castle, but the surrounding area as well. Just a lot of beautiful nature, and we have some, I don't know, these are cows or
Cows and a bull.
Won't you take me
Something of note is that while the Danish were so nice, the Germans aren't that nice. And they're definitely not nice in the countryside. They really don't like foreigners. They really don't want to speak English. But I think it's also part of just the language and the culture. It's just very brusque. But yeah.
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you.
The castle was originally erected in 1592, and then in 1769 it burned down, and then it was partially resurrected in 1903.
Okay, hold on, let me back up a second. The oldest structural foundations at this site actually date back to the early 13th century. And in the 15th century, there was even a German king who lived here. And it was this guy, King Ruprecht, that actually turned this place from a place into a palace.
Guys, this is a wine barrel.
The Castle Apothecary Museum is a fantastic look back into pharmacies of another time. I think my favorite fun fact about the Heidelberg Castle is that it's been partially destroyed twice by lightning strikes.
The castle was sublime. Absolutely beautiful. Very cool to see, very cool to touch the stone that's so old. And the sun came out, which is such a blessing. It was such a cold and rainy morning, and now gorgeous. Look at this. Just phenomenal. Phenomenal day for Dario send-off. Now we're gonna retrieve the car, head back down the mountain, and check out downtown Heidelberg. Now we are actually on that beautiful old bridge that we saw from the castle. Now we're walking on it into town to find something to eat before Dario passes out.
The town of Heidelberg itself is your quintessential German town, filled with beautiful European architecture, souvenirs, and great food.
that is a rafting stop on Heidelberg. Next stop, we take Dara to the airport tomorrow, and then a week in Mainz. Thank you for watching, fam, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the adventures. We are backpacking Europe for 3 months this summer and documenting it all. Come along with us.